sweet pepper seed. I have germinated in the pocket tray. Now it's time for me to transplant this topsoil, this rice charcoal, and rice powder compost. Now I start to grow the capsicum. Now the back soil is ready prepared to dig my capsicum plant. To dig like this to avoid the soil breaking. Look nice.